My precious child, I see the weight you carry, the regret, the sorrow, the feeling that your past mistakes have built a wall between us. You whisper in your heart that you have gone too far, that you are beyond my grace. But I want you to know something important. My mercy is greater than your sin. My love is deeper than your shame. When you come to me with a sincere heart, there is no condemnation, only grace. You do not need to hide from me. I see everything, the burdens you carry, the tears you have shed in silence, the guilt that lingers in your soul. Yet, even with all of that, I do not turn away from you. I do not reject you. I do not hold your past against you. Instead, I reach out to you with open arms, ready to heal and restore. Do you remember the prodigal son? He wandered far, wasted much, and convinced himself that he was no longer worthy to be called his father's child. But when he took even one step toward home, his father ran to meet him, embraced him, and welcomed him back with joy. That is my heart for you. I am not waiting to punish you. I am running to meet you. And look at Peter. He walked with my son, yet in fear, he denied him 3 times. He thought his failure was final, that he had ruined everything. But Jesus did not cast him aside. Instead, he restored him, called him again, and used him mightily. My child, you are not disqualified. You are not beyond redemption. You are not your mistakes. You are my beloved. So why do you still hold on to the guilt and shame that I have already forgiven? Why do you let your past weigh you down when I have made a way for you to be free? Let go. Surrender it all to me. The moment you do, I will transform your heart, renew your spirit, and fill you with my peace. And as I have forgiven you, I ask you to forgive yourself. Do not let the enemy deceive you into believing that you must carry your past forever. I do not see you through the lens of your failures. I see you through the eyes of love. And just as I have freely forgiven you, I ask you to extend that same mercy to others. Forgiveness is not weakness. It is freedom. Unforgiveness is a heavy chain that binds the heart, keeping it from truly living. But when you forgive yourself and others, you step into the fullness of the life I desire for you. It does not mean forgetting the past, but it means no longer allowing it to define you. You are not who you were. You are who I say you are, chosen, loved, redeemed. Walk forward, my child, with confidence. The burden is no longer yours to bear. You are made new. You are cleansed. You are loved. I have a future filled with hope and blessings waiting for you. Trust me and step into the life I have prepared for you. There are many others who, like you, need to hear these words. Do not keep my love to yourself. Share my mercy so others may also find peace. Let them know they are not alone, that my love is for them too. And if this message has touched your heart, let it be known through your comments. Speak of my goodness, and do not be afraid.